So I'm really excited to be able to show you, because even though it might not be the perfect piece for me, it might be the perfect piece for you depending on your hair loss needs. And I feel like that's what this is all about. Like, I'm okay with showing something that might look a little silly on me if it means that you're gonna get what you need out of it. So anyways, thanks for being here. So we'll talk about Velora and then I'll pop her on. So Velora is a 3 by 4 inch fully hand-tied lace top topper. She's super small, and you know, it's funny because before I started the education side of wearing alternative hair, I really just kind of looked at things with blinders on. I looked at what was going to be good for me, and I would have thought there's no place in the alternative hair market for something like this. People have different needs, and so different needs are going to require different hair loss solutions. And I love this one. It's perfect for someone whose hair loss is predominantly at this front hairline and maybe just a little bit at the widening part, but who has good all over density, which is something that I don't have. And so it's perfect for that. You can see there's kind of like a pear shape there. So it's going to be a little bit wider at the front and then narrower along the part line. But the fully hand-tied nature of it means you're going to have some good lift. So there's going to be some good volume. You know, it's just a nice, simple piece that you can wear. And also, most toppers, when you get the topper, we recommend that you go, 1 to 2 inches longer. We usually recommend that you go 1 to 2 inches longer with your topper than your bio hair. However, this one's only sold in a 12-inch length, and I was very concerned that that would be problematic. Turns out it's not, and I'll show you why. It ends up looking like just little mini layers in your hair. It's kind of cool. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open up the topper and throw it on. You could blend your bio hair in potentially with this. You could cut a light wispy bang into this, but it definitely has room in the hair loss space or the alternative hair space for someone who is just looking for a lightweight option to give them a little bit more coverage, maybe to keep the sun off of your part line. It would be good for that. You can also do updos with it if you just need like a little bit of light coverage. So this, I think, is a great option for those who are looking for something really light, but they don't mind blending their own bio hair through. And so, like I said, if you have a good color match, it's a pretty close match for the truffle brown. And so it just ends up looking like I have some more layers in my hair, which is kind of neat, because it's the one time that I would say you don't actually need to go with a topper that's longer than your bio hair because it's so thin. It just looks like you have layers throughout. Now I left the tag in because I don't want to forget the details on it, just to give you an idea of the type of coverage that it's going to give you. So anyways, this is Velora. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I'm really happy to help. And I hope that this helps somebody who is looking for a lightweight piece just to give them a little bit of coverage. It's definitely a good option.